What's going on YouTube? I am Highway to Hill and this is my bike Yamaha YZF R3. So this is a follow-up video on the Apollo Alpha H1 tires that I did earlier. So on my channel I've already done the review of these tires. There is a dry weather review and there is also a wet weather review. So I did those reviews when my tires were at like 1000 kilometers mark, and right now I have done 11,000 kilometers on these tires. So I got these tires when my odometer reading was at 29,500, and right now I am at 40,700. So that's like just above 11,000 kilometers. And this is how the tires look like right now. I have barely just touched the indicator mark over here. The threading is fine. This reservoir, the grooving, the siping, everything looks good for 11,000 kilometers compared to Metzeler Sportec M5 or Pirelli Diablo Rosso 2, compared to those kind of tires. These look good. Let's look at the front tire. The front tire looks even better. Where's the indicator? Yeah, you can see the indicator over here. It's not even barely touched, not even touched the indicator, and even the front part also. I think there is hardly any wear. Not much wear over here. But the rear tire, I think now, if you see from this angle, you can see that it's slowly just starting to flatten out over here. I'm mostly touring, so just riding in a straight line, and right about now it has just started to flatten. Now in the earlier videos, there's one question that obviously I couldn't answer, was what is going to be the life of these tires. I predicted that these tires would easily do 15,000 kilometers, and looks like it can. If it looks like this right now at 11,000, I'm sure it can easily do 15,000 kilometers, and that is what I was expecting also. This was my expectation and also my prediction, that these tires could do 15,000 kilometers. So I think it's well on the way. I am satisfied. It completely caters to my need. The thing that these tires do really well is a balance of cost, price versus grip versus tire life. So cost 10,500, which is definitely cheaper than your Metzeler Sportec M5 or a Pirelli Diablo Rosso 2 or your Michelin Road 5s. These tires are 14,000 to 16,000 rupees. Now grip, I am satisfied with the grip. I am not doing crazy cornering like a Rossi or a Marquez. I am just mostly touring, and then when I am at the hills, I just love doing a bit of leaning and cornering. That's all I do. Most of the time you're touring, so you're just riding in a straight line. So I'm more than satisfied with what the grip levels that these tires offer. And tire life. So tire life was my main concern earlier with Metzeler and Pirelli. At 10,000 kilometers, those tires look really bad. It flattens out, and you have already started scraping the indicators. And I don't want to keep changing my tires every 10,000 kilometers. Bikers who are people who are touring a lot, 10,000 kilometers is nothing. You can do 10,000 kilometers in just 5 to 6 months. So great balance, like I said earlier, of cost versus grip versus tire life. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope my video helped you in your decision making. If you already have these tires, do let me know your feedback as well. And if you have any questions, write it down in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. And thank you so much for watching. I am Highway to Hill, and you ride safe. Ciao.